Hello my dear loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to share with you another recipe, that is chicken kabab. Chicken, it is also good source of protein. It's help to control the blood pressure and relieve the cold and sore throat, promote the heart health. It is also have antidepressant and help to strengthen your bone. Kabab is my favorite one. What about you guys? Let me know in the comment section. Let's see how to make. First you have to take a chicken pieces. Here I am taking a 500 gram of chicken pieces. Then add 1 tablespoon of garlic ginger paste, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of corn flour, 2 tablespoon of chili powder, 1 packet of kabab masala. And add 1 egg and mix it well. Leave 15 to 30 minutes for marinade. Now chicken pieces are well marinated. Turn on the gas. Take a pan. Pour some amount of oil and heat it 5 to 10 minutes. Once your oil are warmed, put the chicken pieces into a warm oil and fry it 5 to 10 minutes in a low flame. Now our crispy kabab is ready. Take it off from the oil. Hope you will give this a try. Let me know in the comment section how it's turned out for you. I will catch you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Tata.